Hello and welcome to this new video on how to collaborate on Instagram PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, in order to collaborate or get sponsorship on Instagram, users need to have more followers and post content more regularly. And in order to get the collaborator and sponsorship that is proper and authentic, you just have to post more authentic content and in more regular basis. And when you post more content, you will be able to increase your followers, and when you have certain amount of followers, then people and brands will be willing to collaborate with you. So in order to collaborate, you just have to post the things or post the videos or the images that the collaborator or sponsorship asks for you. And when you post it, you just have to tag that particular brand or the person that want to collaborate with you or is sponsoring you. And when you have done that, you will be able to collaborate on Instagram PC without any problem. So this is how to collaborate on Instagram PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.